I'm going to be showing you how to farm Jade in Honkai Star Rail. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in order to farm Jade, the first thing you need to do is make sure you complete Trailblaze missions. These are the main story quests. So each typically rewards 30 to 80 stellar jade, so make sure you complete them to get those stellar jade. You also need to finish adventure missions and companion missions. Also try to complete daily missions consistently. You need to be farming regularly. In Memory of Chaos, they have up to 800 stellar jade per reset, so make sure you do that. And you also have Pure Fiction, it also has 800 stellar jade. You have Apocalyptic Shadow, Simulated Universe weekly point rewards. And make sure you explore a lot. Just open all the treasure chests scattered across the map, defeat warp trotters, and collect Dreamscape Pass stickers in Penacony, and complete achievements. And in all of these ways, you can successfully farm stellar jade in Honkai Star Rail. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.